Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Here we got a CF Moto. It's gonna have its first oil change. It hasn't hit the break-in period, but a little story with this. This is gonna be used to plow snow, and it's gonna have a really rough life. So we might as well change the oil now, give it its first oil change now. Anyway, let's get started. First things first, grab our drain pan. We're gonna slide it under there. Under here, already set up my light. There's a little drain bolt right here, 17 mil. You're just gonna loosen it. Once you loosen it, get your drain plug, or I mean your drain pan ready. And here we go. Yeah, you can still see that it's fairly clean. We're gonna come over here on this side, and there's this cover. Just pull back like that. That'll expose what I believe are 8 mils. Looks like it is an 8 mil. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these 3 little bolts out, and it's gonna make a little bit of a mess. Make sure your drain pan is right underneath that. There's this seal right here. I don't think our new filter came with it, so careful of that. And we're just gonna pull out our filter just like that. All right, with our new filter, this is what they gave us. I'm gonna put it just like how we took it out, which was the rubber seal going inward. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil there. And now you're gonna grab your little cap. Make sure you got your seal around here. We are gonna put it back. And I'm gonna put these by hand. Definitely don't wanna put these in with an impact. Do not recommend that at all. I'm just gonna snug them up, and then your fill plug is actually right here. And right before we start filling it up, let's put our drain bolt back in. Right before putting it back in, you want to change your crush washer, as I already did. Okay, we're gonna come back up, and we're gonna snug it up. If I find the torque specs, I'm gonna put it on the screen. And I'm just gonna clean it up after with the rag. Down here, we're gonna put a funnel right in our fill plug. And then we decided to save a little bit of money. This is what the auto parts store gave us. I mean, we did meet the specs for the 10W40. I'll put a chart up on the screen here. 2.96 quarts, that's 2. I'm gonna put about half a quart on this one, and then I'm gonna measure it a little bit over, but let's check it out. Have a little bit spill out. Here's our little dipstick. I'm just gonna set it there like that, and we can see we're pretty close already. What we want to do now is just start it up, let it run for a little bit. Just let it idle for a little bit. Okay, after you turn it off, you want to wait a few seconds. After a good minute, let's go ahead and check out our oil level. And yeah, it needs a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and add probably up to the 2.9 that it said. Yeah, I ended up putting the 3 quarts in, and yeah, we're right on the full mark there. Once you got on the right level, we're going to get our grommets out of here if they ended up coming out. And we're gonna put them back where they belong. When you have them all set to go, go ahead and line up cover here and just give it a good push. And there we go. I'm just gonna quickly wipe it off, make it look decent. Alright, that should be it. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.